एक बार फिर स्वागत है आपका। We are back with the second episode of आज केयरफुल तो कल कलरफुल बाय नेरोलैक। हम जा रहे हैं मिसेस पूजा गर्ग के घर उन्हें एक कलरफुल सरप्राइज देने। If you haven't watched what we did at Mrs. Nisha Dhingra's house, here's a sneak peek. And now, Mrs. Pooja Garg ki bari. We ask people to share stories about how they are making careful choices as a part of their lifestyle. कि उन्होंने क्या किया to make sure that they and their loved ones have a better tomorrow. We received a lot. To choose just a few was a difficult task, but here we are. This is another story that made us feel warm in the heart. So it's time to make another home and someone else's life a little more colorful for sharing with us their story of care. तो देर किस बात की? चलिए। Hello, Mrs. Pooja Garg.
Yes.
I'm here with a colorful surprise on behalf of Nerolac.
Oh wow! Yeah. Please come in.
Thank you. Mr. और Mrs. Garg, क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं about our colorful surprise?
Yes, बिल्कुल.
It's the 100th year for Kansai Nerolac और हम इसे celebrate कर रहे हैं by going out and spreading cheer among other people's homes and lives. After all, आप ही के प्यार के वजह से we are here today. So आज Nerolac is going to be painting a room in your home.
Wow, it's awesome.
And we know you must be worried about safety, but be rest assured we will be taking all the precautions that are there. So बताइए कैसा feel हो रहा है? What do you have to say about this colorful surprise?
I'm very happy. It's kind of a New Year surprise from Nerolac. और घर पेंट हो रहा है, इससे खुशी की बात क्या हो सकती है? And actually we are relieved to know that they will be taking all safety precautions given this current situation, right?
Me and my wife are totally looking forward to it.
So are we, sir. We are really excited for it. So Mrs. Garg, can you please tell us about your entry?
These are testing times and I keep myself and my family safe, like we don't go out unnecessarily only for urgent work, and we do wear masks all the time.
And also we keep hand sanitizers handy.
Yeah.
Those are some great measures that you all are taking. अब बारी है मैजिक की, तो चलिए देखते हैं how this entire process will take place. पर पहले safety is our first priority. As I told you, we will be taking utmost precautions. So, the paint we will be using is specially crafted for your protection. Nerolac XL Virus Guard. The name exudes protection, doesn't it?
It does.
It reduces viruses and bacteria by 99.9%. इसमें है CO2 absorption properties, which helps to keep the air in your home clean. बस यही नहीं, it also controls odor and humidity. Protection के साथ साथ it also imparts an international appeal fabric finish.
It's good to know.
So the effect of this is multifold. Nerolac's unique set of products don't just color but also care. Now please let us know what would you like Nerolac to paint for you.
Let's go with the living room.
Yes.
So I think living room is the place we spend most of our day, so we'd like to get it painted from Nerolac.
That's definitely a great choice. अभी के लिए बस इतना ही. I will be getting back with my team and start working on how to make this experience great for you guys. I will see you soon with the painting contractors team. Thank you. So here we are back with a full team. Today is a D-Day. हम पहुंच चुके हैं मिसेस पूजा गर्ग के घर and we are ready to spread the colorful magic of Nerolac in this home. चलिए, let's go. Hello Pooja ji. I'm back with my team, but before we start the process, safety first. सबसे पहले let's start with sanitizing our hands. Nerolac hand sanitizer is a WHO recommended formulation with 75% alcohol content. It kills 99.99% viruses and bacteria. Frequent use of hand sanitizers dries up our hands. However, the Nerolac hand sanitizer keeps your hands moisturized. Let's go.
Please come in.
Thank you. Before the painting starts, मैं आपको Nerolac XL Virus Guard, जिससे हम आपकी वॉल पेंट करने वाले हैं, उसकी एंटीवायरल प्रॉपर्टीज को डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना चाहती हूँ थ्रू अ टर्मरिक टेस्ट. आप जानते ही होंगे साबुन के पानी में हल्दी डालने से साबुन के एंटीवायरल प्रॉपर्टीज की वजह से उसका रंग लाल हो जाता है। ठीक उसी तरह I will put a paste of turmeric mixed with water on this sheet of paper, which is painted on one side with Nerolac XL virus guard and on the other side with a normal brand paint. You can see that the part painted with the virus guard has turned red, indicating that it is an antiviral paint.
That's great.
Wonderful.
और आप इसे अपने वॉल पर ट्राई भी कर सकते हो. We have something interesting for you post the painting process.
Oh, wow. We look forward to that.
We love surprises.
That's amazing. तो चलिए प्रोसेस शुरू करते हैं.
छुपी है खुशियाँ नई सी,
छोटे छोटे पैकेजों में भी तो यार होता है धमाका. बढ़ा रे जब घर की रौनक बढ़ानी हो, दीवारों को जब सजाना हो, नेरोलैक रंगों की दुनिया में आओ, रंगीन सपने सजाओ.
While the work is in progress, please tell us how you're feeling.
We are really excited for it.
Eagerly waiting for this colorful surprise. Can't wait and can't hide my excitement for it.
मैंने आपको पहले बताया था that I have something interesting for you after the painting process. We have protected your walls with the XL Virus Guard paint. We will also be adding a layer of safety to the other surfaces at your home with the magical product that is Nerolac XL Multi-Surface Protection Sheets, which is developed using a Japanese technology called Shiki. It is truly a unique product and can be applied on a variety of surfaces such as wood, metal, plastic, acrylic, glass, masonry walls and stone, and keeps it protected from 99.9% germs. It is not only antiviral and antibacterial but also helps absorb bad odor and control humidity from surfaces such as dustbins, shoe racks, washrooms, wardrobes, etc., leaving the surrounding fresh. The best part is, even when you remove it, it will not leave any stains behind and it has no odor of its own. Now that's some protection we could use, right?
Absolutely.
So the moment that we all have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. वो घड़ी आ चुकी है. So now let's do the grand reveal. Are you ready?
Ready.
Looking so smooth and rich, no?
Beautiful actually.
Yeah.
The finish is very smooth.
Your expressions speak volumes. But please tell us how are you feeling right now और कैसा लगा ये colorful surprise?
We are very happy. It's looking very beautiful and colorful, and we are very much delighted to have a house painted.
This colorful surprise is simply outstanding. We are on top of the world. It's so beautiful, looking so nice and so rich. Thank
We're
you
so
so much.
happy.
Thank you so much.
And we are also happy that all the painters and the complete team took full precautions and they made us feel safe, and we didn't feel any kind of risk at any time. So thank you so much, and heartiest thanks to Nerolac team for selecting us and our home to spread cheer and this colorful surprise. It's been awesome experience and a wonderful gift. Thank you so much.
It was our pleasure. Thank you for having us. And now I will take your leave. दिल भर आता है जब इनके चेहरे पर खुशी दिखती है जब वो हमारा कलरफुल सरप्राइज देखते हैं. बस that's what Nerolac aims to do. We have already made 2 homes colorful, and now you need to stay tuned for the 3rd home. Yes, you heard it right. एक और घर बाकी है. These 2 families have experienced the joy and happiness that Nerolac has provided them. आखिर they are really taking care of themselves to make sure they have a better future following the आज careful to कल colorful philosophy in their daily lives. एक और family है who follows the same philosophy. In the next episode, we will be joining you back in their home. Goodbye till then.